correct. That's correct. That's correct.
I don't know how to do that.
Ang sexy ng babae, parang walang panty. You like to be separated with me, ha?
You could have walked with me.
May tumoy pa man din yung lalaki.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning! Sinsya na, damit. So, ngayong umaga, nag-ano lang ako, kami ni Tami. Inano lang namin yung si Roxy kasi grabe, yung kuko is sobrang taas. So, kinat ko siya guys, pero struggle talaga. Katatapos lang namin. Pinahiga namin dito si Roxy sa couch. And then si Tami nasa ibabaw, naka-hold. Ako binibaby ko siya. Give me your papa, give me your paw. So, binibaby namin kasi takot talaga siya guys, as in. Iba pala talaga tong aso kapag kinakat mo siya ng bata pa. And then palaging nagdudugo kasi na overcut mo. Si Tami kasi, ako si Misty, siya si Roxy. So, na-over, dugo, saktan sila. Kaya yun, hindi nila makalimutan. Itong si Roxy, kaya nahirapan akong ikakat yung nails ni Roxy. At sobrang taas. At alam ko na talagang masakit dahil palagi na niyang dinidilaan. And then, makikita ko na yung kuko is sobrang taas na. Dinidilaan niya, that means pasakit na siya. It's 7 o'clock na guys. And I'm going to have breakfast. So yun yung morning namin. And plano namin ni Tami, magpunta kami sa Walmart. Kasi every time na magpunta, yung rason talaga magpunta kami sa Walmart is yung pagkain nila. Wala nang pagkain, di ba? So ngayon, asan yung ko? Hinahanap ko. Ay, doon. Marami pa. Uy, dalawa na lang yung pizza. Grabe si Tami, kinain lahat ng pizza. Yung dalawa na lang yung pizza natira. So anyway guys, so ito yung morning namin. Kaya pala hindi okay yung pakiramdam ko din kagabi. Kasi meron pala din ako. Do you want me to do egg and fried rice? Rice, egg on top, scrambled egg, sunny side up egg.
Eggs for myself,
Yeah, that's very little egg.
4 eggs.
So what do you want? Do you want omelet? Or you said you don't want egg. Do you have burger?
Unless you want a burger.
No, I don't. When did you see me eat burger?
Chicken sandwich in there too.
Han?
Maybe you coffee. Coffee.
Yeah. The struggle of Roxy. Every time we cut her nails, we have to baby her. Look, she do that when I do kind of like handshake her paw. She just kind of relax for a little bit. Please look at these kids, guys. Look at them. Dada's cutting turkey and the nose. Oh my goodness, all of you is so cute. You guys are the cutest. Look at Hubs, honey. Turkey Hubs. Hubs, Turkey. Tingnan natin yung mga faces. Okay, I'm gonna get your faces. Focus the faces. Okay, where's Roxy? Where's Misty? Hubs, your face? Damn alert! Oh my goodness, you guys are fat. Dada's feeding you rocks, okay? Dada's going to feed. Hi, girl, Misty. Hi, monkey. No, you stay over there. Dada's gonna get some turkey. A turkey. And you don't order your shoes, Han? Sirang-sira na kasi yung shoes niya. You didn't? I'm gonna order it if you don't. Ito yung pagkain ng aso, turkey. And then another second batch. The cat have a second batch of turkey.
Didn't have a first batch.
Look at this guy.
I had a can.
This is like first breakfast, second breakfast.
Not time yet, Alex.
Oh, it's a nice day. 42 degree. Still cold. It tells you? They're doing that? Guys, the lottery, guys. He's doing the lottery. No, we don't win.
Oh, well.
No, we cannot give you any money, guys. I promise, if we win, we're gonna give you. Tapusin ko lang yung mga editing natin. Oh, my baby is eating something. What are you taking out? Cold cuts?
Take.
Close
Don't you
it.
have shrimp?
Close it.
Why don't you have shrimp or Chinese food?
I'll eat
Chicken
later when
cutlet
I'm
sandwich?
hungry.
What?
I'm going to eat
You
when
know,
I'm
right
hungry.
after we leave, you'll be hungry.
Yeah, I know. But you're going to shower or what?
Yes.
Okay.
So you figure you have time, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, that works.
Okay.
You know you don't like this. You know, I give it to you, you don't like it. It's the ham, it's spicy ham.
Alis na kami, guys. Sakit mag-inom ako ng Advil, Aleve. Sakit ng puso ko eh. Hindi kasi ako nag-inom kanina. Si Tami may laman kasi yung sasakyan ko galing sa isang bahay. Kinuha lang niya, guys. Okay, guys, we're going to the store and my husband is just have to fight with me.
Right.
Just have to fight. Just have to fight. It's his goal in life, fighting with me. It's one I put text here last night. The other night when we went to the other one, that one. Hi guys, wala na si Tami. Ando na siya. Umalis. Hinatid ko sa talaga sa door. Meron akong book dito eh. Yung listahan ko. Ay nako, ito talagang si Tami talaga.
Hello? O ano, kumusta? Kumusta naman yung date mo? Tawag-tawag ka pa ha?
Tumawag ako sa iyo para magpaturo.
Paturo saan?
Hinalikan ako ng pinakalit. At saka ano ako, natakot ako. Hindi ko alam kung anong dapat gawin. Kaya nga magpaturo ako sa iyo.
Ako talaga? Ako talaga yung magtuturo sa iyo? Ang galing ko dyan, di ba?
Ay sorry, matagal ka na palang walang asawa. Sorry talaga. O sige, andito na siya. Sige na, bye-bye na. Andito na siya. Dito na. Sige, bye.
Sige na, bye! Tawag-tawag ka pa magpaturo. Kaluka ka. Wala akong asawa eh. Matagal na. Ay, kaibigan ko talagang luka-luka.
Alright, you ready?
Patay. Ready saan? Ready where? What?
Ready to go, ready to drive, ready to move, let's go.
Okay. I thought we're ready to work Jar.
Let's do that. Let's do that. Let's do that.
I don't know how to do Jar.
Kasi ngayon punta tayo sa Sexy naman ito. Sexy naman yung babaeng yun, parang walang panty. Ang sexy ng babae, parang walang panty. Tignan natin dito. Puntahan natin si Tami kasi siya lang mag-isa at saka may tao dito pumunta na sexy. Kailangan natin sundan yung asawa natin. Sige bye. Sige bye. And then anuhin na lang natin parang spy natin si Tami. Wala na siya dito. Hanapin natin. nag-bold star man stand niya. Ito is tortoise
Yeah, well,
over
I've been
here.
here for a while, so maybe I moved it.
You come here, right here behind us. You like to be separated with me, huh?
You could have walked with me. I gave you a reason. You have no reason to walk without me. You just chose me.
You're crazy, that's it.
What?
Park. The chicken is be separated. You want it in the bag too?
Not in the same bag, it'll all go mixed up.
Okay. He's a cookie monster, guys. Believe me, guys. He has a lot of cookies in your restaurant.
Cookies, guys. Brownie on the inside. Oreo cookies. A Chick-fil-A cookie with brownie inside. The best Chick-fil-A can make.
Seriously.
Yep.
You did try it before?
Yeah, they're great.
Okay then. And why you decided to buy this kind of food?
Because they seem to like it better than the other.
I know, I mean bulky pack, 2 packs,
They
and
don't
then
have single packs. They don't
it's
have.
and it's 3 of them.
Where's the other? Damn.
You put it already there.
No. Done? Just standing there.
Oh God. I got an Epsom, ano guys, Epsom salt for the tub. Para pag maligo sa tub, ito yung gamitin natin. Lavender po yung kinuha ko kasi gusto ko po yung lavender. Masakit yung ano ko talagang masakit yung sumakit, dahan-dahan yung puson ko. Okay, do you have space? Oh, there is still a lot of egg in there. Tammy seems like, Han, look at that, all the drawers, the cabinets. You have a lot of cookies. So now I'm going to show you Tommy. I will show you Tommy that he has a lot here. Where did he find? Open this, close this refrigerator. So now I have to dig because I know got a big chocolate and I don't know what you're gonna do with a thick heavy chocolate.
That's for cooking stuff.
Seriously, cooking?
Yeah.
When did you cook with chocolate? When are you? Ay, nako. I think I know where is all his cookies. Cookies is in his car.
Oh, there's nothing in the car. You bring the car.
Oh, really? Really, sir? And you still have a lot of here. Don't forget that. I got the para sa mata. How many you want me to? That's the thing you buy. Oh my God, he likes it so much. Crazy. Now he's gonna eat whatever dimples in there. Look, look, look. Give it to him. Give it to her. No, give the dish to her. Oh my God, Hobbs is really a piggy. Oh my God, Hobbs, you are maniac. Didium, come here, Didium. No, for you, Didium. No, eat, no, Didium. No, eat. No. Eat it before your brother. Okay,
You said there's no more bags in here, right?
There is in the top drawer. Cabinets. Oh my God, honey. Your son is something else. Look at that. Yung asawa ko, nagpunta sa higaan niya sa upuan. Ngayon, hindi niya dala yung hahanapin niya yan. Tignan niyo. Tinago ko. Hanapin niya yan. Pabayaan natin. Ba. Honey, give me the dog dishes.
Where I put my phone? Was here.
What are you looking? What the heck? You're just holding your phone before.
Yeah, well, guess what?
Now you don't lose it. Do you have it here or you lost it in the store?
Seriously?
Did you remember you bring it here or?
It's here.
Well, it's here.
What? It's in the house.
How do you know it's in the house?
Because it was sitting on the counter a minute ago.
Call again, call. Seriously. It's just like, voicemail. Somebody took it and took it off. Can I call them too? Okay, I send a message. Nag-alala na siya. So now you don't have a phone.
Did you pick it up?
So now it's my fault. I knew it. I knew it's gonna be my fault. This is
Because you do something stupid like that, hon.
no, seriously.
You have to get something for you and you do that.
See, no, you know what? So now we talk about this with no phone. Now you lose your phone. So that means no phone. Refrigerator. Seriously.
Your call has been forwarded to an automated voice messaging system.
How am I going to call my phone or not my phone?
And when you are losing your marbles, it's not my fault. Find it. Don't laugh at me. You're losing. You probably. I texted your phone. I texted it already. Text me. Text. Try to text again. Open the text. It's right here. Oh my God, you get mad.
Because you're like stupid. It's not making no noise. I didn't make it quiet.
Well, I don't make it too quiet. I just hold it.
Yeah. Nothing come through?
Yeah, because you know what? Your phone have no signal. Don't blame me with your phone is not working.
Text will work. Yes, it's really frustrating because I knew I had it right over there.
Hey, look at me.
And then you put it over there.
Are you happy?
Yes, I knew you better.
Are you?
You just screwball me. It's like you're not happy unless I'm losing my marbles.
You are already.
Yeah, with help from you.
You know what, honey?
Fine. My water's over there.
Look, you don't even know where's your water. Ilagay ko to sa taas. Ito yung ano siya guys, Maybelline na ano, tattoo studio na sa mata. I-try nga natin. Sa paminsan nyo, alam nyo ba, nasabihin ko sa, kasi palagi kong sinasabi kay Tami, nakakapagod naman itong menstruation. Ay, kaloka. Sabi ko sana, naging lalaki na lang ako. kahit maging tumboy ka pa, magkadugo-dugo pa rin. So, walang choice, lalaki na lang. Hindi ko naman ibig sabihin, hindi ko naman sana naging tumboy ako kasi yung tumboy, magkadugo man din yun. May tumboy nga sa Cebu na nabuntis. Kasi yung tumboy at saka bading. Alangan, lalaki yan yung babae pa rin. May tumoy pa man din yung lalaki. So, nabuntis yung tumboy. And then, pag panganak ng tumboy, pagkatapos niyang nanganak, yung bading, yung nag-alaga ng bata, yung tumboy nang nagtrabaho. Ay, binakabili na ako ng ganito. To studio. Meron akong ganito. I think, hanapin ko nga. Natapos na pala yun. Maganda pala yun. So, itry natin ha. Ala. Try na. Ala, maganda siya guys. Maganda siya. It's very talaga itong kamay ko. Very kurog. Ang laki ng mata ko. Mas lalong lumaki yung mata ko. Kasi hindi ko nakapalan kasi. Kasi siya, maganda siyang maganda siyang i-line sa mata dahil sobra siyang soft. yung ano, pigmentation niya soft. Hindi katulad ng iba na nudnud ka ng nudnud, wala pa rin. Ito siya, kaunting ganun lang. So, kaya nakapalan siya. So, okay lang yan. Is this nothing or it's something? It's nothing, empty inside. I found I sent you guys pictures. Did you receive it? My God, your mom is so, and your father, like in your father is such a monkey and he's such a goofy face. Come here, look at this. It's so hairy, honey. You like it? I know you would like. Honey, he would like me calling him monkey. Oh my God, come here, honey. New mom is. I think it's a new. They just got married. Look, goofy face.
Okay.
Look. This is so cute, right?
Okay.
Okay.
I don't see the monkey part.
Han, he's hairy, just like you. Thank you, baby. He's the one I took off my makeup. Oh, we're gonna end the vlog, Han. Say bye-bye, love.
Hi, guys.
We will see you guys tomorrow. Tommy will.
Not quite accurate. Accurate would be you will see us tomorrow. Apparently, we don't see you. You'll have to send us some pictures so we know who we're talking to.
Yeah, you will see us tomorrow on the internet, on YouTube. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching. And yun, salamat sa panonood. Good night, guys. Anyway, guys, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good night. Good night, guys.